Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to tell you 5 interesting ways in which you can start learning English, or you can start learning to speak English fluently and confidently. These 5 ways are very interesting, very basic and very useful. So if you start utilizing these 5 ways, or you start including these things in your daily routine to practice English speaking or to learn this language, you will definitely get fluent in speaking in English in no time and effortlessly also. And the other important thing is you will enjoy your journey as well. These are so easy and simple to follow, and you'll definitely see a lot of difference. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. So let's get started with this session. So I'm going to talk about 5 things which you can include in your daily routine or your daily study plan to help you improve your English fluency and confidence. Okay, the first thing I'm going to talk about here is start reading books. Okay, this is the first thing you have to start including in your daily routine. Take out 5 to 10 minutes to read anything, whether it is a book or a novel or a newspaper or any article, whatever you wish. You can read stories on apps as well. Okay, read out loud basically, or you can listen to audiobooks and you can repeat it. So in this way there will be a shadowing practice also, and you will learn also, right? So when you're listening to audiobooks, you can practice shadowing simultaneously. So that is also a very good exercise you can include in your daily routine. So listen to audiobooks and start repeating it. Okay, so you'll follow the accent also, you'll follow the intonation, rhythm, tone, everything. So you'll pick up the language very soon. So this is actually going to help you. So start practicing reading. Either you can read books or you can listen to audiobooks online. Okay, and start practicing shadowing as well along with reading. Whatever you are reading or whatever you are listening, whichever books or news article or anything you are listening to, practice shadowing along with it. Okay, so club these two things. When you're reading a book or a novel or a magazine or a newspaper, you can read out loud. But when you're listening to something, just try to repeat that. Okay, practice shadowing along with it. So this is one thing which you can do. Now there are books related to English speaking also. They help you with a lot of things, how to become an effective communicator, how to practice English speaking, how to, build on vocabulary and pronunciation and grammar. So everything, there's specific books for everything. So you can search for those books also. That will motivate you, that will give you lots of ideas also how you can improve on your English. So I'll suggest if you can go with that, that will be great. Okay, start reading books which can help you to improve your English speaking. Okay, or build up on your English. So that is the best way you can start improving on your English. The second most important thing is you have to be an active listener. So for active listening, what you can do? Okay, so this is my next point. Number 2 is listening to podcast. So that is something which will help you to become an active listener. So podcasts are very interesting, very informative. You will gain a lot of knowledge about different topics. You will get to learn a lot from them. You will learn how to speak, how to come up with sentences, how to express an idea, and lots more. Okay, so start focusing on podcast. You can listen to any podcast related to health, lifestyle, or entertainment, sports, science, anything, adventure, anything, whatever you are interested in, whatever you like listening to, just start listening to podcasts. In this way, you will start understanding the language, analyzing things, and you will start understanding the sentences, construction, or how they speak, how they come up with an idea, how they talk about that idea. Everything you're going to learn. So you have to be an active listener. You have to focus on what the person is saying, what people are talking about. Okay, so you have to pay attention. So to become an active listener, you have to start listening to podcasts. Okay, number 3, you can start watching movies. Watch English movies. Go with simple movies like, movie for kids or cartoon movies or animated movies. And then go to Hollywood movies. Okay, it will help you to understand or gradually increase the difficulty level. So you'll start understanding the accent, you will start picking up words and vocabulary and sentences and the whole idea and everything else. So you'll start understanding. So start from kids stories or cartoon movies or cartoon series or animated movies and then go to Hollywood movies. So in this way you will start learning to understand English and you start building up sentences also. So here also what you can do is you can repeat a dialogue, you can repeat any scene, you can just, come up with a role play. So you can do a lot of things. Okay, you can start with role plays, you can just imitate a scene, you can just imitate a dialogue. Okay, so start imitating some dialogues, some characters or some scenarios. This will help you to improve your English. Okay, so start clubbing, watching movies with role plays and coming up with scenario or dialogues, speaking dialogues. So it will help you to improve your English speaking. So this is another interesting way of learning to speak English or improving on your English speaking skills. Next is start watching shows in English. Now shows can be anything. You can watch a comedy show, you can watch a celebrity talk show or TED Talks. Anything, any show you can watch, like talk shows basically. Okay, or any sports commentary also. There's sports match going on live and there's a commentary also goes on, right? So you can watch that also. So basically it should be a chat show or a talk show, okay, wherein people talk and you have to listen to it. So when you will start listening to it, you will understand what they are trying to say, things are going on and you will recognize how they're speaking about it. In live shows, you'll see what is happening and then they're talking about it. So you'll get to know also about by watching sports show as well. You'll get to know what is happening and how they're speaking about it. So in this way, you'll get to learn a lot how to express yourself. When a live sports match is going on, there's a commentary. So you can learn a lot from commentary also. You can learn how you can describe things which is going around you. So that tomorrow if you're in a park or in front of a building, you can just talk about it, right? Or on your way to office or school or college, you can just talk about it in the way of commentary, right? So this is how you learn to speak. So focus on talk shows or chat shows. Okay, and of course commentary also, which I've clubbed together. So start practicing things in this way. When you are listening to things, just take up a scenario, take up any object, any item, any conversation, just try to speak about it like a commentary. You can just take it up and start speaking about it. Okay, so in this way you will develop the habit of speaking in English about anything and everything. Okay, and the last one I'm going to talk about is start using technology. I have a lot of sessions in which I have spoken about how you can utilize or how you can use AI chatbots to start speaking in English. Okay, so here also I'm going to repeat the same. I'll request you to start utilizing these platforms, the AI chatbots like Perplexity, ChatGPT or Copilot or Gemini or any other AI which is there on your phone. Just start utilizing these chatbots to start speaking or having a conversation in English. Okay, apart from this, you have a lot of platforms like Twitter, X, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, where you can share your story, where you can share your thoughts or statuses. You can chat with friends, you can chat with people, you can engage in a conversation in English. So think about what you should write, think about what you should reply in English and go ahead with it. And another way is you can just come up with a group also on WhatsApp or Facebook and you can just talk to people via video call or audio call in English also. So you can come up with a group, or you can join communities also there, in which you can exchange your thoughts, you can chat, or you can have a conversation with people who wants to improve their English. Okay, so you can come up with all these creative things as well to start speaking in English on these platforms. So everything is in your hands, guys. Nothing is difficult at all. It's all so easy. But you have to explore everything, right? Like in books, I said audio books. Try exploring audio books. It is the best way you can learn to practice English speaking, or you can practice shadowing to improve your understanding of the language. Okay, so try these methods, start exploring these areas to see what can help you or what is helping you. Okay, there are lots more. I have just spoken about a few here. Probably in my next session, I'll try to come up with more and I'll speak on it. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.